Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do color corrections in the Adobe After Effects. So what you need to do is add a clip first. You can right click in here and go to import and then choose the file, and after that, if to start the color correction, just create a new adjustment layer here. Right click in here and new, tap on adjustment layer, and here under the adjustment layer, go to the color corrections and scroll down until you find this Lumetri color. So drag it to the clip. Then you can do the basic corrections in here. You can adjust the white balance. You can adjust the tone if you want to change the tone in here, such as exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow, white and blacks. You can just increase it like this if you want to, and you can also lower the contrast, adjust the shadow and highlights like this. And you can also do some the white balance. Just click on the color picker, choose the whitest parts on the clip, and here you can also go to the curves. Just add the keyframes in here and adjust it how you like it. If you click on the color wheels, if you want to for example highlight some certain colors on your video, you can do it in here. You can adjust the mild tones, you can adjust the shadows and also the highlight. Okay, I'm going to go with here, and you can also add some vignette effect for make sure that it's activated. If you want to add a black vignette, you need to reduce it, but if you want to add a white vignette effect, you can just increase it or swipe it to the right. I'm going to add black, so I'm going to reduce it into minus like this. Then you can also add some cinematic frame if you want to. You can just right click in here and create a new solid, name it as frame, and then make sure that the color is black. Click on OK. Now on the frame, double click on this rectangle tool until you see the masking, and drop down the masking and change the shape, the units, percent of source. Set the top to 10 and bottom 90. Click on OK. Now tap on inverted and you'll have this cinematic frame, and you can see the result, the preview in here. And that's it. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.